Here's the gel I use, here's the clips I use, and here are a couple rubber bands.
Yo, what is up, guys? It's your boy Supremo Sean, and today we're gonna be doing a dread retwist. I mean, look at my hair, guys. It's obviously time.
Make sure you hit that subscription button and turn on post notifications.
For a retwist, do you see what I see? Do you see this? Do you see this monstrosity? What is this on this guy's head? This guy has failed the dreadhead community. Look at it. Look. Just look at it, man. Well, I guarantee you that this is not gonna look like what it looks like when I get done with it. But yeah, bro. Yeah, dread retwist. So what's gonna happen is I'm just gonna show y'all how I do it. And then I'm gonna fast forward and then have my music playing in the background because I'm the best musician ever. Just didn't blow up yet. But yeah, bro, let's get to it because hair needs to get did, right? And also, like, it might seem like, I don't know, like 2-3 minutes for y'all, but this is gonna probably take an hour. So yeah, let's get with the process. So I'm gonna be quiet now, and my music's gonna start playing now.
Flow so vicious.
Whoa, you thought it was just gonna be music? No. Well, the song that you're hearing now is called Mud by Supremo Sean. Go check it out on YouTube, and also make sure you subscribe to my channel. And yeah, in this segment, I just retwist my hair, you know. Well, not really retwist it. I kind of section off in these little rubber bands, so it makes it easier for me to retwist it. So yeah, the song playing now is called Mud by Supremo Sean.
When I burst, boom, came up out the mud, literally coming out the dirt. People rocking with me now, they wasn't here at first. Jeeper creepers do not get me, demons in the hearse. We gon' get you. If you wasn't here before, don't show up when I burst. Boom! Burst out, pop out with a cash now. This.
I realized just recording me doing it would be boring, so I just go ahead and just jump started to the other part.
Just from the past, all from a family.
Yeah, we're all tired of a little mud. The next song is Stop Zan feature Supremo Sean, Peach State remix.
Looking sharp, my songs be hard like a rock. Beat to my song make you rock. Hey, pull out that strap like a cop. Roll it on tip with the top. Told that little boy to just stop. Hey, what? Maybe my song is too hot. Do a verse, I'd rather not. Ruin your life with a shot. I swear my raps, they be hard. Heavy running like some snot. Hey, go get my car from the lot. Wait, I'ma put look to the spot. Hey, no, you can't touch me on hot. Wait, I screwed out the lot.
Straight from the GA, Georgia. On my ad-lib, I say, hey. Everybody know I'm Georgia made. Yeah. What you sipping peach, just not lemonade. I don't game bang, I just rap, man. Tryna run up a check for my family. They said if you really wanna dream, you gotta run, man. Don't be a clown for entertaining. Instead of Georgia making my dreams happening. Man, my mouth be high on the beat, I steam. I done made bangs that you never seen. But best believe you gon' see my dreams.
Yeah. Even if it takes.
The final product. Final product. I had it in my do-rag, and as you can see, it's still holding together nicely. So yeah, that's my dread retwist. You know, looks a little oofy, a little weird right now because you know that's just how it looks when you do it, and you already know when it, you know, new growth start coming back, it's gonna, you know, look right. But yeah, that's my retwist. I hope you guys enjoy. Check out my music. Yeah, Supremo Sean forever. Blah, 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 blah.
All I do